Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new campaign. The campaign we're going to set up is this one. This will be the landing page or the opt-in page. I will be giving away a Facebook ads blueprint, so it's a simple download that you can get if you give me your email. Now on the next page, when you submit the form, you will see a simple thank you message that is going to tell you, okay, here's the download link. But if you share the blueprint with 5 of your friends, if 5 friends download it, then I'm going to give you my Facebook ads video course that I recently created. So just get 5 referrals. Here's your referral link. You can click on some share buttons to easily share my blueprint on Facebook, on Twitter, and some other websites. Just share, get 5 friends to download the blueprint, and you're gonna unlock this reward, the Facebook ads video course. You could also add a second or third reward, but for the purpose of this video, let's keep it simple and offer one thing extra if they decide to share it with 5 friends. Now, inside the software, we're going to click here on the red button, Add New Campaign, and we will enter Facebook Ads Blueprint Demo, click Save. Now here you can if you're running a campaign for a specific time frame, you can set the start date and end date. For this demo, I'm just gonna start it today and end it, let's say, in a couple of months from now. Just click Save. Okay, the editor is loading. We're gonna go to the design section. If you want, you can change the template background color here or add a background image. For this demo, I'm just going to keep it like this, a white background and a clear headline and call to action. Let's go back to the content section. You will see there are different sections here: design, content, form. You can switch your template here. You can then customize the thank you message, and there are also 2 other part that I'm going to show you in a minute. Let's go to content, and you see there are different elements here. There's a logo, there's an image, there's the headline, there's some more text, and then you have the form. I'm going to disable the logo by clicking here on the on button. So if you click on off, you can just enable, disable it. Same for the header image here. You can turn it off, turn it on. If you want to add video, you can click you can add a video here by clicking on and just entering a URL here. Let's change the text to something I have prepared here. Just simple text, get the Facebook ads blueprint that I use to generate this kind of profit in 7 days for free. Let's do it like this, for free. You can just click here and then make it bold. Same here. You can, if you want, you can change the font. You can change the size, you can change the color, and so on. Let's add some more text here, like Facebook ads work. I'll show you how. Just simple text. Make it a little bigger, like this. Click Save. Now you notice here at the bottom there are a couple of links in case you want to add some links. In my example, I don't want any distractions, so I'm going to disable the links in the footer. You just click here, link 1 on off. Just turn everything off. All right, and click Save. Now we're going back here. Okay, let's say we want to customize the form. We want to ask for a name and an email. Just go to the form section and we're going to ask for, let's say, first name. First name and email, that's enough. If you want to change the color of the button, we go to design, and here you can change the submit button background to a red color. Submit button text be like download Facebook ads blueprint, and change the text color here to white. All right. We could also change the color of this border where you have the input fields. Let's change this to black. Oh, all right. So now we have a page that looked like the one I showed you earlier. All right, now let's go to the thanks section here, where we can customize the message that people will see when they opted in. All right, so it says thanks for subscribing. Let's say like download the blueprint and just make this big, and we can add a link here. Just select the text, then click on the link icon. Let's say it goes to google.com, just as an example, but this will be a download link. Opens in a new window and click here. So now there's a link added here. Let's change the color. I will put it in blue like this. Download the blueprint. And then I'm going to say something like this. Wait, do you want more? Or let's put something like do you want more? Invite 5 friends to download the blueprint and get a copy of my Facebook ads video course. So let's make this bigger. You could say like one more. Invite 5 friends. And then we put this maybe in another color here. Video course. So I'm changing, just clicking here and changing the text. Use this personal referral link like this. And then it will show the referral link, show the share buttons. Let's click save. Now, if they see the page, they can download it. They will also get an email by the system. We will set this up in a minute. And they will immediately be encouraged to share the blueprint to unlock an extra prize. In this case, there's the Facebook ads video course. Just by using their referral link or clicking on these buttons, it will automatically open a window to share a message on Facebook, on Twitter, and so on. Let's go back to the progress section. Now, the system is also going to send out an email with it contains a link, and if you click the link, you can go to the page where you can download everything that was promised to you, where you can see if you're running a contest with the software. You can also run contests. You can see your ranking, the number of referrals, and so on. So we're just going to say your progress, number of referrals, and then this code. So if someone has 3 referrals, it will show 3 in here. And then it says share to earn, share to get more referrals, and unlock video course. Put it like this. We can change the size. All right. Now here below, it will show the video course, and it will say you need 5 referrals for that. We're going to set up that in a minute from now. So let's just save it and go to the next section. But first I want to show you the expire page. Now, if you set up a campaign that finishes, let's say in 1 week or 2 weeks from now, then they will see, if someone visits your page, they will see a message like you're too late, the campaign has ended. You can just edit this text in here. You could add a link to another page or to your blog or to your website. Just people know they cannot opt in anymore, they cannot download it anymore. If the campaign runs for a very long time, they will never see this. Just wanted to show you. Now let's go to the share section. You can completely customize the message that people will be posting on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and so on whenever they click on the share button. So what you also have is WhatsApp. They can share through a WhatsApp message, also Facebook Messenger and normal email share. You can just turn it on or off. So if you just want to offer people the opportunity to share on Facebook and Twitter, just enable these two and leave the other ones off. For the purpose of this demo, I'm just going to enable everything and show you like Facebook here. You can enter a title. This is the message that people will post when they share. So it's like grab this Facebook ads blueprint for free. It's awesome. Okay, then you can just add here like some description. Want to learn how to set up profitable Facebook ads campaigns for your business. Get the proven blueprint and start getting results as soon as tomorrow. Let's put it like that, just some message. If you want to give points to people for clicking on the share button, you can enter an amount here, for example 100 points. If you don't want to just leave it open, you can upload an image here. Let's go back. Okay, just you need to click save. If you click here, you're gonna lose it. So let's just add it again. Facebook, get this Facebook ads blueprint for free. Just gonna keep it shorter. It's a proven way to set up profitable campaigns. Get started today. Just click save this time. All right. Now, if you want, you can upload an image here. Let's say, do I have any images here? Let's just take some background. Just an example. You can take another image. So this is the message that people will share when they click on the button. You can do the same for Twitter here. Like, I just found a great Facebook ads blueprint. What do you think? Like this, huh? What do you think? So you just can do this for the different share options. For WhatsApp, you can set the message here. For Facebook, same. For email, you can set the subject, the email body, and just save it. We're not going to do that right now. Just this is the email that people will be sending when they click on the email button. It will open their email client and this message will already be there. They can just edit it and send it. Let's go to the next section, the rewards section. This is a really important part where you can add this Facebook ads blueprint. So the opt-in reward is what is going to be shown as soon as someone opts in. We're going to change this. Let's keep it. Let's click here on the pencil, here the pencil icon to edit it. And this will be like, I will write here Facebook ads blueprint. Okay, we can add it here. This last section, you have the description, you have the title, the description, and the reward. This box is the actual content. It should be a download link or instructions on where they can download it. So I will write here download the blueprint right here and just add a link to, let's say, open in a new window. Just enter the URL where you can download it, and I will make it bold. So that's it. You can just save it. If you go back, this is a title, short description, and the blueprint. Now let's go back here to the design where you can actually see how this is going to look. On the thank you page, it will show this opt-in reward Facebook ads blueprint, but this will say unlocked, and if they click here, then they will here see the download link. And this preview, it's not shown, but in their live example, they will be able to download it, but we also added the download link right here on the thank you page, right? So let's go back to the rewards section. If you want, you can add multiple extra rewards. So there's the opt-in reward that is unlocked as soon as someone enters their email. If you want another reward, just click add reward. We're going to do that here. We're going to call this free, or call this Facebook ads video course. Call it my 7-part video course about profitable Facebook ads. And here you're going to put like download link. Something like this. Click here to download. Just enter a link. All right, open. This will be a download link. The number of referrals, I'm going to set this on 5. So as soon as someone has 5 referrals, this reward will be unlocked and people will be able to access this on their page. The system is also going to send out an email. As soon as someone unlocks a reward, they will get an email with a message that you can customize. You can just include the download link in the email as well. Just click save and you turn it on here to make sure it's on, and save and continue. This is a feature for upgraded members. I'm not going to cover this here, but inside the emails that you send, you can include a multiple choice question to just ask something to your leads to get to know them better. And then inside the statistics section, you will see an overview of the answers that people have given you. You get some stats, who clicked on answer 1, answer 2, answer 3, answer 4, just some numbers and percentages. This gives you some information about your leads. This can help you in your marketing. And you can also give points to people for answering these questions. It's great for creating engagement with your leads, to just get to know them a little better and to start some interaction. I'm going to skip this for now and go to the email section, where you see there are some default emails here and there are reward emails. Now, the emails are all sent out by our own server through the app, through the software. There's a sign-up email. Anyone who enters their name and email and is added to your list will get a standard welcome email. Just, you can include their referral link. Let's just delete some of the text here. We're just giving them their referral link. Thank you for signing up for my campaign, for getting my Facebook ads blueprint. Say like, here's the download link. Then you click here, something like that. You can just enter the link. Just enter the URL here. All right, just an example. This should be download link. And then you say like, invite 5 friends and unlock my Facebook ads video course. That's it. Your referral link progress page will give a link to the page where they can always check how many referrals they have and where they can access the downloads that you promised them. So just go share, and I hope you get great results with your Facebook campaigns. And this and share links, it's a code. If you add this to your page, share links, then it will display the Facebook, Twitter, Google, and other buttons that you have enabled. So just click here, click somewhere in the email, and then use shortcodes and then share links. It will add the share links inside your email. Then you just say here, Kenny, click save. All right, and turn on the email. Now, this is really simple. You create or edit the sign up email. There's also a referral notification email that you can enable. Let's turn it on. This means if someone invites a friend and the friend signs up, then the person who invited him will get an email saying, hey, thank you very much. Someone just signed up with your link. So here's the email. It's already written for you. Just edit it. You can say like, thanks, someone just signed up with your link. Your referral link, you now have this amount of referrals. So if you enter this code, lead referrals count, it will show the number of referrals this person has. Just click here, click on short codes, and then lead referrals count. Now you can say like, hey, don't forget, you just need 5 referrals to get my video course. 3 things, just your name here, and click on save. That's it. We have this default email set up. Now for every reward that you created, there's also an email automatically visible for you here. So the opt-in reward email, let's turn it on. Let's turn the Facebook ads video course email on. In case someone gets 5 referrals, they will also get an email saying you just unlocked this video course. So let's go to the opt-in reward email and say like, hey, thanks, here's your Facebook ads blueprint. You can download it here. I just, it just shows some text here. All right. Let's go back. And then you say like, keep referring people to get my video course. It's a great, great help to implement the strategies that you learned inside my blueprint. Okay. So people have the blueprint, but they are now encouraged to actually keep sharing, because this video course is going to make it much more easier for them. So you can remove this. Just enter referral link again if you want to share that, the number of referrals, and the progress page. Just click and save. Okay. Now there's another feature here. You can add reminder emails. For example, let's say today someone signs up and downloads the blueprint. If you want to send him a reminder tomorrow or after 2 days, just click on reminder email. Edit this email like, hey, thanks again for getting my blueprint. Thanks for getting the blueprint yesterday. Did you already share it with your friends? You can get my video course if 5 friends download it, like this. Okay, it's really simple. You just send, hey, like, did you read my blueprint? My Facebook ads blueprint. Did you read my Facebook ad blueprint? That's the subject of the email. Then the message. You could also like enter this share links again, the share buttons. Here's your referral link again. Just enter the referral URL here. or click these buttons to easily share the blueprint. Like this. And I will send this one day after, say, yeah, after 1 day. Click Save, turn it on. All right, so let's check again. This is the subject, this is the message, and here it's sent after 1 day. Save and continue. Now that's basically it. Now you're able to get the leads. All the leads are saved inside the software. There are emails automatically sending out to follow up with them. People get an email when they unlock a reward. Now there's another thing. You can also add all your leads inside your autoresponder service, which is what we recommend. So not only are the leads saved inside the software and you can easily download them, but it's recommended you also add those leads to your autoresponder. For example, Aweber, GetResponse, or some other big name company that we recommend. Now, if you click here on autoresponder, you can add one of the autoresponders that you already connected to your account. In my case, I already connected my Aweber account, and I can select one of my lists. Now, before you can do that, you have to go here on the right side to your general settings, where you can add a autoresponder here. So I already added one, but if you click here, add autoresponder, you can select one from the list. So active campaign, constant contact, get response, and so on, send lane, MailChimp. If your autoresponder is not on this list, don't worry, because inside your campaign, if you go to your campaign, to your settings, and then here integrations and autoresponder, you can actually select custom form and add your form code. If you're using another autoresponder, just copy paste your HTML form code here and click the save button. Then this will also send the leads to your own form with another autoresponder. So if your autoresponder is not currently supported by our software, you can simply add the custom form code in here. So that's it for now. Let's go to the statistics page, where you will be able to see the total leads you collected and the amount of viral leads, which are people who joined your list after they were invited by people who joined before. So referrals are here, viral leads, total visitors, number of points for sharing, and so on. You will see some graph here showing your leads, your viral leads, and your visitors. And you will also be able to see where people shared your campaign. There are like 10 or 20 Facebook shares, then some on Twitter, and so on and so on. And if you added a question inside your email, you will be able to see the statistics here. Now, this is basically the setup process. It doesn't take much time. You just basic settings, then the design, then the share settings, the rewards that you set up, some emails, and your integration with your external autoresponder if you want that, and that's it. If you go to your campaign, you can click here, you see the link, you can just copy it here, or you can click on the copy button, and if you want to see it live, click on the eye icon here, and it will open your page. Now, all you need to do then is drive traffic to this link. And as soon as people are going to opt in, some of them are also going to share, and this will create viral traffic and more email subscribers for you. Now, if you look here at the campaigns overview page, you can actually manage your campaigns here. If you want to pause it, click the pause button and confirm. Then the color will change to orange and you will clearly see the word paused here. If you want to unpause it, just click unpause and then resume. If you want to see all your leads, just go to the leads icon here, leads, and this will give you an overview of your leads. You can then download your leads as a file. You can see the top performers where you can rank people based on number of referrals. You can duplicate a campaign if you have a really good campaign and you want to make a copy of it so that you don't have to go through the whole setup process. Just duplicate a campaign here. That's it. And you will see there are now 2 campaigns. It will not duplicate the leads, only the complete settings of the campaign. So that's it for now. You now are able to promote a page like this and to give people a reward for sharing your blueprint or whatever download or service you're offering. This is going to create extra traffic for you and grow your list much faster than if you would just promote this page without doing anything else, without using the viral sharing system that we offer. So thank you for watching. There will be other videos added to the tutorial sections to cover different parts of the system. So if there's anything else you want to know, if you need some help, just contact our support and I will be glad to answer your question and to help you get the most out of the software. Thank you very much.